welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about, you're thinking I'm sitting in my living room having notebook in my hand, a pen and a phone, what I'm planning to do, right? So basically today's video is about you all guys are connected to me over Instagram, if I'm right. If not, then you can just subscribe to my Instagram. Then हमने पिछले हफ्ते Instagram पे एक क्या किया था, Q&A, allowed you to ask any question to me, and you asked so many questions. Literally I got so many questions out of it, and I have made out a list जिसमें मैंने बहुत सारे common questions निकाल लिए हैं, and I'm going to answer all of those questions in this video. So if you really want to know and get into this gossip chit chat, so please make sure you subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Now, so moving to the questions directly, I have figured out so many questions. So let's start up with the first question I have in my hand. The first question I got is, lockdown में sleep schedule क्या चल रहा है? What is your sleep schedule? What is your sleep pattern? Is the question. Lockdown में sleep pattern, I know that बहुत ज़्यादा changes हुए हैं. There are lot of many changes have occurred since the lockdown have started. But मेरे लॉकडाउन मेरे चेंजेस ज़्यादा नहीं आए हैं. मीन्स देयर आर ऑफ कोर्स चेंजेस बट नॉट टू मच, बिकॉज ऑफिस शेड्यूल, ऑफिस का काम सब सेम है. द ओनली थिंग इज कि वो ट्रैवलिंग टाइम नहीं है, तो उसकी वजह से आई डोंट हैव टू वेक अप टू अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. सो फॉर दैट वो टाइम निकाल के मैं रात को थोड़ा लेट सो जाती हूँ. सो यूजुअली आई यूज टू स्लीप अराउंड 10-10:30 बिफोर लॉकडाउन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो इन लॉकडाउन इट गेट्स 12, but I try to sleep by 12 so that I can wake up early in the morning. But when I talk about weekends, this is not the same. Totally different, opposite. I don't know when I'm sleeping, and sometimes it's been 2 or 3. I don't know. But in weekdays, I try to sleep by 12. Second question I got in my hand is, where do you like to shop the most? Okay, about shopping, I really am missing a lot. मतलब मुझे अपनी शॉपिंग कितनी याद आ रही है ना. मन करे यार अगर लॉकडाउन खोले तो सबसे पहले जस्ट गो एंड शॉप अराउंड. बट सिंस फ्रॉम लास्ट वीक दे हैव ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड ऑनलाइन ऑर्डरिंग, तो मैंने कुछ अमेजन वगैरह से ऑर्डर किया ना, आई गॉट इट. अगर हम लॉकडाउन से पहले की बात करें तो आई रियली प्रेफर टू गो एंड एक्सप्लोर अ लॉट. ऐसा नहीं है स्पेसिफिक टू दिस ब्रांड और दैट ब्रांड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई हैव, द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज ट्रैवल गोल्स आफ्टर लॉकडाउन. इंटरेस्टिंग. ट्रैवल गोल्स क्या है मेरे लॉकडाउन के बाद? सो बेसिकली वेन एवर आई थिंक अबाउट कि मेरा लॉकडाउन खत्म हो रहा है, the only thing comes to my mind is one and only, I'm sitting relaxing near a beach, near water. That's it. So you can imagine मैं कहीं भी जा सकती हूँ if they allow me to. Then so moving on to the next question, which is very simple. मिलने कब आएगी is my next question. So definitely if you are also missing your friends like me, everybody is missing their family members, everything जो भी उनके पास में नहीं है उन सबको मिस कर रहे हैं. So जैसे ही लॉकडाउन खत्म होता है, we will definitely make a plan to meet, and of course till then video calls तो है ही. Okay, now moving on to the next question. OMG, how many cups of tea in a day? I'm literally having it wrong. So I have no idea. This tea is something which is, I'm addicted to it too much, and I need it in every situation of my life. Like when I'm too happy, when I'm chit chatting like we are doing right now, gossiping or anything, I need tea. But still, if I talk about an estimate कि मैं कितना लेती हूँ एक दिन में cups of tea, then I can say around, I make sure कि मैं 5 कप से ज़्यादा ना करूँ. I do not exceed by 5. My limit is still 5 only. Then okay, then next question. The next question I got it is, how do you cope up with your work pressure? So nice question. Thank you for this amazing question. First of all, this is very interesting. So how do I cope up with my work pressure is like the best solution I have already given, but I'm going to give you again. And this is which I have in my hand. That is this S planner. This S planner is the most amazing thing in your life. Once you start using it, you will realize its value, how much it plays. Everything, whatever, irrespective. I'm not talking about only about कि मेरे पास हमारे पास वर्क प्रेशर सिर्फ ऑफिस के काम या ब्लॉगिंग का है. वी हैव अदर वर्क प्रेशर्स एज वेल. लाइक कुछ भी बोल सकते हो. आपको ग्रोसरीज की लिस्ट लेनी है एंड मम्मी ने कुछ काम बोला है, पापा ने कुछ काम बोला है, एंड यू कैन फॉरगेट दोज थिंग्स एज वेल. छोटी छोटी चीजें. सो दिस एस प्लानर हेल्प्स यू टू मेक अ लिस्ट, राइट all of those things which you have in your mind, keep a track of everything. Then also the most important thing, this S planner helps you to maintain your daily targets, monthly targets, or yearly targets. At the end of the month, you can see how many you have accomplished and how many of are pending. और कैसा रहा, तुम अपने आप को मंथली एडवाइस क्या देना चाहोगे, सजेशन क्या देना चाहोगे. सो मेनी थिंग्स यू हैव टू डू विद दिस एस प्लानर. दिस एस प्लानर हेल्प्स यू टू मेंटेन योर डेली टारगेट्स, मंथली टारगेट्स और ईयरली टारगेट्स. एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ यू कैन सी हाउ मेनी यू हैव अकम्प्लिश्ड एंड हाउ मेनी ऑफ आर पेंडिंग. और कैसा रहा, तुम अपने आप को मंथली एडवाइस क्या देना चाहोगे, सजेशन क्या देना चाहोगे. सो मेनी थिंग्स यू हैव टू डू विद दिस एस प्लानर. चेक माई दैट वीडियो, click on the link below and get to know more about this S planner. Cool? Great. So moving on to the next question I have is, what is my nickname? So basically everybody knows Tanya is a very common name, Tanya. और उसके बहुत ही nicknames भी बहुत ज़्यादा common, that is Tani, Tanu, Tanisha. I don't know, so many of them. Sometimes we can say also Tilly. There are so many names by Tanya, and this is it. Okay, then I'm up. Yeah, nice question. The next question I got it from one of my followers that please recommend some good series to watch. Some good series. I have listed down a whole bunch of series. You can watch it. Top shows and top movies based on. It is not my list. I'm not sharing my list कि मेरे कौन से favorites. I'm sharing those lists which have the best reviews, which got the best, and you should must watch it. And most important thing, you can binge watch them. यही time में हम binge watch कर सकते हैं and उन series को complete कर सकते हैं which are pending. So I'm dropping the link in the description box. Make sure you click on that link and get to know all the favorite series. Okay. There. Yes. Moving on to the next question, that is when you're going to marry. Okay, when I'm going to marry. So basically I haven't told you much about me maybe. So in September I'm going to turn 24, so you can imagine it's too early for me to discuss even about marriage. It's going to be a long journey till then. Then moving on to the next question, that is when is your new video coming up. I'm the huge fan. Thank you so much for being connected to me over all the social networks, watching my videos. Thank you so much. Basically when my next video is coming up is like I will make sure that I upload every video once a week so that we get connected. You get to know me more and I get to know about you a lot more. So stay connected with me all the time. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this was it. I have completed all the questions. I got it. And this is what about Q&A was. You ask me questions, I give you answers, and this is how we connect. So stay tuned for the more videos and keep watching. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.